some good and bad news up in the front. Diesel users can look forward to a little relief on Wednesday. That's when diesel prices drop by between R3.25 and R2.62 per litre, depending on the grade. But it's not such good news for petrol users, with both grades going up by R1.43 a litre. The Department of Mineral and Petroleum Resources has also confirmed that illuminating paraffin will decrease by R7.95 per litre. The maximum retail price of LP gas will drop by 17 cents a kilogram.
The reasons for these adjustments are the international product prices decreased on average during the period under review, despite the slightly higher oil prices. The rand strengthened against the dollar during the period under review. The amount of general fuel levy relief has been reduced by R1.50 per litre for petrol and by R1.96 per litre for diesel, in line with the announcement by the Minister of Finance. The slate levy increased by 35 cents per litre from 122.7 to 157.74 cents per litre in the price structures of both petrol and diesel.